Hey guys, it's Cam back from the kit store here, just with a really quick one on our new battery plates for the Blackmagics. Anyone who's been using the Blackmagics for the last couple of weeks is probably aware of the issues that we're having with the batteries. So we've gone and replaced a lot of the plates that are for them, but we've still got them, but only the ones that are working. So same kind of idea. Battery goes on the top of it here, and it should click in. You'll notice on these ones, so there's two different types. I'll show you them both. This one's got a wee green indicator light that says, okay, now I'm seeing the power there, which is good. Turn the camera around, we'll see we've got DC out 7.4 volts, so that's what the battery's output. So we'll plug in our DC cable into there, and then straight into the side of the camera, just as you regularly would. I've got these extra spare cables here that we'll give them out at the time of your booking as well. And we notice there that the wee yellow lights on the top, power the camera on, and it should just load up as it is. So it's the exact same thing as the old batteries, just with a removable cable basically this time. So power that off. I'll show you how to remove these batteries, because this is what got us in the issue in the first place essentially. You've got this little collar here that you can kind of see, and you sort of pull that back, and then it comes out on its own. This is the mechanism that I need you to keep getting right. Essentially, that's what allows it to come out of the camera itself. So we'll hold on to these sort of rigid part here, pull it back, and it should come out as well. This needs to be removed when you are handing the camera back or putting it back in its bag. If that gets left in the camera, it gets crushed, that breaks the cable, and then we fall back into the same issue we had last time as well. Again, we can just unplug the cable from the top of the camera, and we can leave that at the side with the charger or with the spare batteries that are going to be in your bags. We've got two different types of these little sort of adapter things for the batteries. We've got the light version that's currently on the camera there, and we've got a Pro version here. Pro version, the main difference is it's running over USB Type-C as opposed to the 7.4 volt thing. So plug the Type-C cable into that. We've got cables for all this now as well, got these all in at the same time. Plug the cable into that, and again, find the notch, plug it into the camera itself, and then with this one you need to sort of hold it for a second. So you press and hold this red button until the green lights come on. There you are there, and then you'll notice at the top the little yellow indicator light is on the Blackmagic itself, so that's now powering it over a USB Type-C cable, which is great. And then that's it. Again, same thing as I said before, we just release it using the little pull back mechanism, and that also powers down the Pro one. The cool thing with the Pro ones as well, being USB Type-C, is that these can actually, once you've unplugged that, can be plugged into a wall charger, and that will charge the battery, and you'll get an indicator of the battery's charge on these front LEDs here. So we're in the process of swapping these in and out of cameras. Some of them are going to still have the existing ones, which work fine, and then some of them will have these new ones as well. But it's just in case you get one of the newer ones and you don't know what to do with it, that's it. But as I said, the main thing to focus on is this mechanism of pulling it out of the camera itself, and then making sure that it's not plugged in when you're handing it back to me. When it's in the bag and it's been transported, it does not need to be plugged in. That's what damages the cable, and that's why we've had to replace all of them. Okay, thank you.